So what's happening, guys? So I just want to recap on what happened yesterday. I didn't really have a chance to edit my videos, so I'm gonna edit them today. I do have some very good footage on yesterday and the other day with my two friends. My one friend you'll actually see, I scared him when I picked him up the other night, and the other day I scared my buddy Aaron the same exact way. So I hope you guys enjoy it, because I know I did. I'm just that guy. So but other than that, I just got done with court. Yeah, court was just really stupid from my point of view. I had a ticket that said it was a non-payable offense just because they pulled me over for my license plate light bulb was out. Yeah, it was pretty stupid from my point of view. Sometimes these cops just don't have anything better to do, which, you know, I don't blame them. I would do the same thing. But right now, I'm on my way to get my buddy Will. I'm actually going to be doing the same exact thing to him like I did the other day, so I know I'm going to enjoy it, so I hope you guys enjoy it as well. But yeah, I'm going to put down the camera, drive responsibly and safely, so stay tuned. Yo! What up, bud? Yeah, this shit's fucked up.
Yeah, no, I'm just curious on how... Yo, are you serious? Are you kidding me? I am fucking pissed at you right now. What the fuck did I just tell you the other day? What the fuck did I tell you the other day?
Here. Now it is like open. Hold on, let's wet that shit. I feel like, yeah, it's a little bit dip. There we go. That should be good.
Dip,
A little bit of wet. All right, here we go. Let it warm up. All right, go for it. Put it on. Close that. Pull it. Oh, it's not sticking? The curve. All right, we got to get a good angle. Ready? Let's get as good as we can. Oh, it's not fucking sticking. I think they maybe gave me a bum-ass cup. There we go. What the fuck? There we go. Shit, dude. I think the curve, it needs to be perfect, like suction, but we can't get it. Let's see. Oh, fuck.
Almost. You got some.
Wow, there we
Pushed
go.
it in.
All right, so we need to get a little bit.
Yeah, we're doing take 2 right now.
Yeah, let's see. Hopefully this time it works.
Oh yeah.
I don't hear it screaming though. I don't know. There it is. All right, that should be fucking hot enough.
Yeah, it should. I see it's steaming.
All right, let's go. Come on, suction cups.
Suck it.
Oh.
I was getting ready for that. Come on, hurry up. Ah, fuck. Gotta find that sweet spot. Right there. Damn, I feel like it's too cold. I feel the metal's still warm, but I feel like it's cooling down.
Yeah, it might be too cold.
Nah, I don't know what it is. It's the curve, man. If this was like a deeper suction.
Nah, yeah, I feel like that should definitely be deeper.
Yeah, like, they give me some fucking bum shit.
Some cheap boy shit.
Cheap boy!
Yeah, I got it from... Dude, I don't know, man.
I don't think we definitely should have dipped that into the water.
Yeah, I mean, it's still moist. and
Yeah.
shit. It's still hot. Let me try it again. Oh, it's not in. There we go.
I feel like if we had two, it'd be better.
Yeah, I don't
I'm
know.
gonna try to get the dent out on my passenger side. Didn't work, so we're gonna try when it gets warmer. Oh yeah.
I forgot about it. Shit jammed me. Yo, almost lost my nuts. Oh my god, what the fuck? Yeah, what the fuck, dude? You're lucky, man, you're lucky. Fucking asshole.
We gotta be what we gotta be, man.
You gotta do what you gotta do, you be an asshole.
Oh man. Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys enjoyed those 2 clips of my buddies. I mean, I like being that type of person, you know, being a little a-hole. But other than that, I mean, I'm not really that big of an a-hole. I am a very nice and general person. I am very inspirational. I'm very positive. I like to be positive, nothing but positive. I used to be a very negative person, but what you gotta do? You live and learn. Live and learn, fellas and ladies. But yeah, about to get onto the parkway. All right, guys, we're like 3-5 minutes out, so we're gonna get him again. Bum, 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 bum. Charge. Oh, he don't even know what's gonna happen to him. Dun 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 dun. Alright, we're pulling up. We're pulling up. Pull up, drink. Alright. Told him 5 minutes. Probably wasn't even 5 minutes, it's like probably 2 minutes. Do, 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 do. Any minute now. That's not him. There he is. Taking out the trash, boy. Yeah, hustle it! Oh man, he's got people outside. This is gonna be good. I think I'm gonna scare them too. Here he comes, like a running man. Oh, you brought me chocolates?
Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus. I keep forgetting about this fucking thing.
I think I scared the people over there more than I did you. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the 2 videos that were in the video today. Just gonna ask you to push that thumbs up and subscribe button and that little bell on the side too for reminders when videos come out. But I'm just gonna wrap things up today. I'm gonna finish cooking my meals for tonight. Yeah, I got an overnight tonight, sadly, but gotta make the money and pay the bill somehow. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and hope to see you guys again soon.